Welcome back to your channel. I'm thrilled to have you here as we dive into yet another exciting topic at the forefront of modern technology. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech insights. Today, we're about to embark on an incredible journey through the world of 3D construction printing. Buckle up, because things are about to get fascinating. Buildings rising out of thin air, layer by layer, right before your eyes. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, it's the reality of 3D construction printing. Imagine revolutionizing the construction industry by using cutting-edge technology to build homes, offices, and even entire communities with unprecedented speed and efficiency. 3D construction printing involves using large-scale printers that extrude concrete or other construction materials to create structures, layer by layer. The implications of this innovation are boundless, from reducing construction timelines to minimizing waste and labor costs. The allure of 3D construction printing lies not only in its futuristic appeal but also in its tangible benefits. With this technology, we can drastically reduce construction times, often completing projects in a fraction of the traditional time frame. Moreover, the level of precision achieved by these printers ensures minimal material wastage, leading to more sustainable building practices. This paves the way for cost savings and environmental conservation, a win-win situation. House with garden, residential, commercial, and even emergency housing can be quickly and efficiently constructed, bringing relief to areas affected by natural disasters or housing shortages. Architects and designers also have greater creative freedom to explore innovative shapes and designs that were once thought to be too complex or time-consuming to build. Faced with monocle like any transformative technology, 3D construction printing isn't without its challenges. Extensive research and testing are ongoing to meet the rigorous standards required for construction. Additionally, regulations and building codes may need to be adapted to accommodate this new construction paradigm. The journey of 3D construction printing is just beginning. As technology continues to evolve, we can anticipate even greater advancements, fine-tuning the process and addressing current limitations. This technology has the potential to reshape urban landscapes, make housing more accessible, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Party popper, there you have it, tech aficionados. The world of 3D construction printing is an exhilarating blend of innovation and practicality. From speedier construction to reduced environmental impact, the benefits are crystal clear. As we eagerly watch this technology unfold, I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell to stay updated on our exciting tech explorations. Until next time, stay curious and keep embracing the future. Thank you for joining me on this journey.